Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to share PC screen by using Chrome remote desktop. Okay, let's start the video. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, open Chrome browser, type here Chrome remote desktop, click on Chrome remote desktop. Type here email ID. Okay, after type email ID, click on next. Type here email ID password, then click on next. Okay, click on download icon, click on add to Chrome, click on add to extension. Okay, double click on setup file. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Choice here name, click on next. Create a pin for login, click on start. You see on screen preparing for remote desktop. You see online. Okay, take a mobile phone and download. Tap on search, type here Chrome remote desktop. Tap on search, tap on install. Application is installing, please wait. It's take a time depend upon internet speed. Okay, download complete. Click on open. Okay, application is open in mobile. You see we am online. Okay, connecting, please wait. Enter pin. Okay, connecting. You see screen is successfully share to mobile, from PC to mobile. Okay, see, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.